Alright guys, on the final episode of our turnkey E30 build series, we're going to put the finishing touches on this beast and take it for a road test. Alright, so no SIKKY turnkey swap is complete without the finishing touch. Got to get this plaque installed, which is basically all the specs for this build and the serial number. So we're going to mount it in the engine compartment. Check it out. Alright, unfortunately I'd love to put this somewhere where you can really see it. It's awesome looking, but this E30 engine compartment is extremely tight and cluttered, so there's not really anywhere to put it except for right here behind the passenger side shock tower. So we're gonna rivet it down in here, and that'll signify the SIKKY turnkey build is complete. All right, the time has finally come. Let's take this thing for a ride and see how it feels. Other than the rumble, it doesn't feel much different from stock at the moment. Doesn't exactly have that BMW exhaust note. Impressed already. So this 6-liter ended up making 399 foot-pounds of torque and 394 horsepower, so quite a bit of power and torque for this little chassis, and it feels really light and nimble. I mean, this thing doesn't have a ton of suspension upgrades, but it does have sway bars and some aftermarket shock, so it feels pretty well balanced for the additional power. Definitely squats good, so that'll help it hook up, but doesn't feel unmanageable at all. Cruising in second gear at probably 30 miles an hour at 25 RPM, so the ring gear or rear ratio on this seems pretty good too. Sounds good. All right, we'll do a first through third pull. Like that, 100 miles an hour. Whoa, that's quick. Might have to build one of these for myself. That was pretty amazing. I felt all I needed to feel at this point. I keep driving this thing around anymore, and I will end up building ones for myself. So let's shut her down early. It's ready for a customer to pick it up. Can't wait to see how they react to their first test drive. All right, guys. So that's a wrap on our turnkey E30 build series. What an amazing project. Couldn't be happier with how this car turned out. Looks like OEM. Drives amazing, awesome performance and power. Can't wait to get it back in the customer's hands and let them enjoy it. If you're interested in getting a turnkey build just like this for your E30 or a different car that you have that you want to LS swap, make sure you log on to SIKKY.com and get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.